Just 1 teaspoon is enough to bring even the weakest orchid back to life and make it bloom again. Even an orchid with just one healthy leaf still has a chance. Instead of tossing it out, give it a second life. Start by removing any yellow leaves and rotten roots, then prepare a simple homemade tonic. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Orchids love this natural boost. Place the garlic in a jar and add about 4 cups of warm water. Stir in 1 teaspoon of honey, which helps protect the plant from pathogens. Close the jar and let the mixture sit for about 4 hours. Then strain it into a larger container and add another 4 cups of clean water. Place your orchid in a bowl and pour the diluted mixture over it. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. Afterward, plant the orchid in a pot and water it with the same mixture. Clean the leaves and place it in a quiet spot. Soon, you'll see new roots. You can also use the leftover water to feed or wipe other orchids. Repeat this treatment every few weeks. Your orchids will be strong, healthy, and full of blooms.